Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus You. Here we are going to do class 10 Cbse mathematics previous year questions. So with the topper answers, so let's turn those previous year questions into your current year success. See the first question children. The LCM of two numbers 182 HCF 13 and one number is 26. We know very well product of two numbers equals to LCM into HCF. Yes or no? So they got the answer 91. See the step properly. They written it as x. You can write x. And form a quadratic polynomial. Sum and product of the zeros. Again basic question. Sum of zeros minus 3. Product of zeros 2. Apply. X square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. Yes or no children? So it's easier now. So you can put k. If you are not putting k also, no issues. So very important third question. That is a topper 2020. The second question. So now see the third question. Since they said two equal roots, we can write it as discriminant equal to 0. We all know discriminant is b square minus 4ac, that we can equate with 0. But very important thing what now, after you equating we got like 20p square minus 60p equal to 0. So some people what they have misunderstood, 20p square equals 60p they are writing. They are cancelling the p and they are writing directly p equal to 3. And they are saying, sir, anyway p equal to 3 only. No, sir, like that they are saying. No, it's not correct. So we should, since it's a quadratic equation, we have to take p common. Hope it's clear here. 20 p only the topper is taken common. Okay, so then it's common. 20p equal to 0, then p minus 3 equal to 0. P0 is invalid. We can take, after writing now only we have to remove it. We should show, because P0 you apply now, you will get like 15 equal to 0. That is not possible. So only we are saying it's invalid. This asked in 2015. Now 12th grade they are going to correct digital correction, they are saying. That time 2015 10th grade digital correction now. So that time I have corrected. So they will check properly these steps and all kindly. Question number 4 children. What is question number 4? Nice question again. AOBC is a rectangle. We have 3 vertices. Length of the diagonal. Length of the diagonal we know very well. So length of the diagonal, AB is nothing but the distance between 2 points. We know distance formula, square root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Apply and get the answer. 5 units. My simplest form actually in this, what you have to, again this is a 2020 question paper. Simplest form of 1 minus cos square A. Actually it look like 2. But it's cos square A, then 1 plus cot square A. So we know very well 1 minus cos square A is sin square A, and simplify cot, we can write a cos square A by sin square A. Somewhat it's not visible properly, but you just take LCM and you will get sin square A plus cos square A by sin square A. We all know sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Yes or no? So you will get it. Answer is 1. So you shall try. And our own favorite, we are expecting easier. They want to ask this type of question in the exam. 5 plus 2 square root 7 is irrational number, given that root 7 irrational number. Children, very important. Whenever they said root 7 given, you don't want to prove. Suppose this question only 5 plus 2 root 7 irrational. Na? We should prove root 7, square root 7 irrational. Very important. Just see 5 plus 2 square root over 7. So they are told to prove irrational. Na? Then we should prove separately square root 7 irrational also. But in this question, they given very clearly root 7 is irrational. So we don't want to prove. Just write 5 plus 2 root 7 equal to p by q. Here they written p by q. You can write even a by b. Okay, as usual, simplify and do contradiction and close it. Hope we all know this. Again, find the value of p. This is 2017 question pa. P square minus 14x plus 8 equal to 6 times other. So 1 beta equal to 6 alpha. So people are very familiar with only 2023, 24, 25. The last 3 years they are preparing. Actually that is very good. Also the before years also we want to prepare. So since they said it is 6 times other, keep 6 alpha. Okay, alpha beta equals C by A. That you apply. And alpha plus beta also you can apply. Both you equate it. Then we can get the answer. They said literally find the value of p. So they can find the value of p. What is the p value children? 2 alpha. So can you just comment the answer for this? And you didn't get na, inform me, we'll do the seventh one. Seventh one I need an answer. What is the question? One quadratic equation is 6 times the other. They have given some steps. You just tell what we wanted to do. So how to do that? Alpha plus beta they applied minus b by a and got one answer. Alpha 2 by p. Then they used alpha beta c by a formula. Then what we wanted to do to get the value of p. Comment your answer. Eighth question is one of the familiar question. They asked in board, very easy also. We wanted to just equate. We know opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. They itself said it's a rectangle. So x plus y equals to 30. Same way, x minus y equal to 14. You don't expect they should give directly. We should know opposite sides are equal. Solve and get x is 22, y 8 you got on. I highly rating this type of question. Solve the quadratic equation with the variable 4x square plus 4bx plus a square minus b square. If they just said solve, we can use quadratic formula also. We can write a is 4b is 4b, c is minus a square minus b square. You feel this a square minus b square and this abc may confuse. Now you can use even capital A, capital B, capital C children. Simplify d value c. They got d value as 16a square, that can write 4a whole square. Then they can apply the formula square root over 4a square. We can simplify and can get that alpha and beta value. Yes or no? Then AP question pa. I think it's not in the book. So non-NCERT question. S5 plus S7 equal to 167. So sum of 5th term and sum of 7th term 167. And sum of 10 terms are 235. Apply Sn equal to which formula children? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That you want to apply. Yes or no? Simplify and get the two equation. As I said already, sum of 5th term and sum of 7th term 167. Equate. And you can get another one equation. That both the equation, first equation and second equation, you simplify. Get that answer. Once you got D5 and once you got A1, substitute in the AP. It's easy only children. You can, they done substitution method, you can normally do it and get the answer. And triangles pa. Okay, so triangles question they are discussing here. So again it's easy now. We know very well. Actually this is parallel, okay, the symbol one line is missed here. DC parallel to AC, DF parallel to AE. So once it's parallel, you know what to do. By VPT, both they equated first equation, second equation. Literally they can get the BF by FE equal to BE by EC. Our own favorite prove that vertices of right isosceles triangle. I will highly rate this type of triangle. Name the type of triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle. They ask, it's easy now. AB you can find, BC you can find, AC also you can find. So and you can say these two are equal, and you say it's isosceles. Also it satisfies Pythagoras theorem, and you can say it's right angle triangle. And our own favorite question, circles like 8th question. Quadrilateral AB plus CD equal to BC plus AD. So again it's very repeated. 2020 also they asked this question all 2 mark worth, but they have asked even in 3 marks. AP equal to AQ, these all they will equate by using theorem 10.2. Tangents from external point to a circle are equal. Adding all and very carefully you just prove this. And shaded region children, so they have controversy. The shaded region, some shaded region not there, but I don't think so. It's easy now. So theta by 360 pi into r square minus r square. Circular region formula. You just apply and you can get this answer. This was asked in 2016. So again, one basic question like how many cubes can be made out by solid cube side 10 centimeter, because directly not there in NCERT book. So people have doubt a cube equal to n times a cube. This is like volume equal to volume now, but anyway we cannot deny that this is not there. Na? So a cube, 10 cube is 1000, 2 cube is 8. Both you divide and you get the answer 125 as in 2020. So our own favorite probability. So 2 different dice, doublet, easy. We all know doublet is n of s. You know children, dice throw na, the general formula is 6 power n. 1 die is roll na, you have to say 6 power 1. 2 dice roll na, 6 square 36. 3 dice roll na, 6 cube 216. Actually only one time they have asked as per my memory, 3 days rolled 6 cube 216. They asked only triplet. Triplet sense like 111, triple one, triple two, triple three, triple four, triple five, triple six. So that answer is 6 by 216 and 1 by 36. Only that day we used to ask for 3 days. Nowadays they are not asking 3 days at all. 2 days only. 2 days very clear. The n of s is 6 square 36. Then they are talking about doublet. So 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 6 possibilities. 6 by 36 1 by 6. Then sum of 10. So sum 10 is also easy. So be careful. 4 6 6 4 5 5. This question, whatever ways they can ask now, they can ask in the other sum 10, sum greater than 10 they can ask. Okay, sum greater than 10 now. You can take sum 10, sum 11. So that means sum 10 you cannot take. Sum greater than 10 alone they ask now. I have to take sum 11. Sum greater than 10 now. I have to take sum 11 and sum 12. Suppose sum greater than or equal to 10 now, I should take 10, 11 and 12. And if they ask difference is 10 now, that time we should be very much careful. I have to be difference means subtraction. Am I correct? So 6 comma 4, some other difference is 2 you consider. Okay, difference is 2 now. 6 comma 4 I have to consider. 4 comma 6 I have to consider, like that. So obviously I should consider 5 3 and I have to write 3 5. So it's not like first number minus second number. Difference is bigger minus smaller. Hope it's clear. So difference la people are making error. So you be strong on it. 19th question pa. 404 and 96. Very simple. HCF and LCM. How the topper have written, you see. Properly they have written, and HCF into LCM they got 38784. I think latest also I saw this paper. Okay, age problem. Once the age sum comes down, only it's considered to be somewhat complete. The present age of father is 3 years. 3 years more than the 3 times of age of son. So 3 years more. So 3 plus present age of father is x. Then 3 times the age of son, 3y. Equate. Same way they have said that 10 years more. So 10 plus twice the age of son. So when some ages are more, you have to remember like 3 years ends now. Both the side you have to put 3 years ends. 2 times, so 2 you can do. More 10, you have to add 10. Then do distributive property properly and get this equation. Solve. Get the present age of father and present age of son. So again, one of the important speed related, some children have to revise and you have to solve. Speed distance by time. So 1500 divided by 100 plus 5. So time distance by speed, they said half an hour later, so they have added the half an hour and they equating and they got the quadratic equation. Now sometimes writing this alone for 5 mark question, if you are writing this properly, okay, so this itself 1.5 or 2 marks. And writing the proper quadratic equation, another 1 marks. So hope this sum you already studied, so I'm not explaining that much, but you just read time distance by speed properly you have applied. Now you will get distance is 1500. Speed 100 plus yes they are taken. The child taken yes. We can usually take speed is x kilometer per hour. For the people who suppose didn't understand this also, write the speed is x kilometer per hour or s kilometer per hour. For this itself they may give in marking same, sometimes off mark for that. So a very important thing what I wanted to say for you all now, what to attempt all the questions. You should not just skip it. Sir, I don't know sir, so I didn't attempt, like that, don't say. Attempting all the questions is like mandatory. So once you are attempting now, then you are what you can expect marks. You are not attempting and you are expecting all marks now, I don't think so. It's valid. First term A ma, common difference minus 3, nth term 0. I think yesterday also one student asked me nth term 0 now what I have to do. I said a plus n minus 1 d equals to 0. Apply a, apply sub, multiply and get a n value. Simplify. N 19, apply in sum of n terms, equate and get the answer in sum of n terms. Hope it's clear to you. The question they asked nth term is 0, also sum of first n terms of AP, both they have asked. So sum of first n terms of API at the end what you found that you have to equate it and apply and get the answer. This is also asked in 2020. Ma, this is our favorite question only, children. Okay, the median question. ABC similar to PQR. AB by PQ, AD by PM, I want to prove it. By SAS similarity, we can prove it. It's easy now. Go through. Again, one of our favorite y-axis ratio. Ratio in itself, you will take k is to 1 and you will do section formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus n by 1 by m plus n, or m1x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Whichever formula, it's easy for you that you do it and get that k value. But remember, they have asked not only ratio, they asked point of intersection also. So that ratio you should substitute and get the point of intersection 0, minus 25 before. And this is a book question, pa. We know very well. Cos theta is, you just check a last exercise. Okay, last exercise like have subdivisions that I think, if my memory correct, 7th subdivision check 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. So very simple, cos taken numeral and sin. Okay, so yeah, the child have written now 2 they taken common and simplified. This is one way actually. The cos square theta, the child written 1 minus sin square theta and they made it as equal. Or one place like you can write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta. One place like if you written sin square theta plus cos square theta, then also is easy. Book question ma, so what you understand book question you have to do. Book question we are talking itself, we got another very important book question, circles like example 2, example 3. This is actually example 3 model. Example 2, example 3 in circles is so repeated. Kindly go through. We know how to do it. We can use Pythagoras theorem. We may use even similar triangles. Do it and get the answer. Again, concentric circles question. I think we already done this type of question. Go through. Like this value based question, that time it's very important in surface area volumes. You can expect surface area volumes questions in 5 marks or case study, children. See, due to sudden flood, central government want 110 sampa, contribute 50% of the cost. So diameter 4.2 meter, height 4 meter. So what are the values? So just wanted to write the tent, find slant height, get 3.5. I think it's book model now. After applying the Cbse of cone pi RL and Cbse of cylinder 2 pi RH, then multiply for 110 tens, 110. Then multiply that with the amount and 50%, 50 by 100, and you get this. Median salary ma. Actually, median salary is easier than normal median. I think it's continuous data. Applying median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Always write with a final answer, like they have given here salary in 1000. That means whichever you're getting it salary in 1000. So you should conclude like 13.4 to 1,000 rupees. People just stop 13.4 to 1, you won't get full marks. They said 1,000 rupees, you should write 13.4 to 1,000 rupees, because statistics, these datas and all the sum, the final conclusion carries marks. Final conclusion, children. Again, one case study question in probability, a game. This spinning wheel game. And spinners, total number of spinners are how much you count ma? 6. How many even numbers are there? Except one, all are even numbers. So 5. Shweta be allowed to pick up ball. So even number coming 5 chances. And second subdivision, what is the probability getting a prize? Now marble, 20 marble is 6 black marble, 6 out of 20. 3 by 10 we can stop as it is, or you can write 0.3, both are same. I think motorboat related, some upstream, downstream. Again, some concepts, it's not there. People are saying, no, it's there. But anyway, it's not there in our new textbook. Speed, distance by time you go through. 24 by, again, the child written instead of x. Yes, speed at the child written x. Variable must find. C. How the child written like this, about the topper written. Variable must find, what and all data, how the given data written. Upstream, downstream, all separately how they written, check mark. If people are writing like this, you only should say. So the data is very much important. Given data, then you have to go for it. 24 by 18 minus s. 1 plus 24 by 2 plus 6. Simplify, get quadratic, solve. 6 or minus 54. Minus 54, it's not possible, it's negative. Then you have to write speed of stream. You just see how the child written conclusion. Just ask yourself whether you are writing proper conclusions. From the topper, we want to understand. We are not just want to see this sums alone. How the topper presents the paper is very much important from this. Okay, a topper presenting is so important, because this sum I also know. Yes, you know whether you are presenting like this. That way only I just want to show this topper's papers. Speed of the stream, X kilometer per hour, upstream, downstream. Again same children. Again same model. Again another topper. Actually same question. Two toppers how they written. Any topper, you just see how they are writing the conclusion. Conclusion they have written nicely. So one topper from 2014, one topper from 2018. Okay. So same question have been asked in 2 years. You know, from a point on the ground, how they are given. Actually, this is question is different, answer is different. This is like triangles question, maybe one error. And this question, 13th question in circles, supplementary angles question, important. No? Kindly revise the NCERT questions, how they do. This not in book, it's extra question. This is also asked in board exam. I think I have corrected that time also. R into tan theta plus secant theta plus pi theta by 180 minus 1. The sectors, proper shading. Find AB, find OB, and get R into tan theta plus secant theta plus pi theta by 180 minus 1. Well, as in 2016, nice question. Even that time, board examination, when they are conducting, teachers, they will show like around like 11:30 and all, they will just show the paper around to the teachers who is escorting, who is waiting there. Nowadays, they stop. So, I remember this question I have saw before when the students are writing the exam. They showed me, I saw this paper. Okay, nice memories. Okay, now go for 35th question again. Yes, solita in the hemisphere. See, they given square root over 149 12.2. Nice, no? Like this, they given each sum, it will be nice. But anyway, volume. See, square root over, if they are not given that square root value, you only have to do approx. They kind-hearted people, square root over 149 and 12.2 they have given. Simplify volume of cones, then Cbse of a cone, get the answer. So I will highly rate in the single question they asked volume under TSC. Even book question like the NCERT question like the last few questions and all, they can ask both volume under TSC. Volume like we want to subtract, CSA like we have to add, like that it will be there. Read the question properly. I think this is first exercise, third question in statistics, like a mean packet allowances now rupees 18 they will do. I think that model now. Single frequency in mean simplify. They have done direct method. If you want, you can do even step deviation method. Hope you know. Class interval frequency xi and fi. Yes or no, children? Apply mean 18 and get the answer 8. It was asked again 2018 topper. Again, how we written given, you see. How we written formula, how we substituted, all this. Probability, a card is drawn, find the probability that the spade or ace. Or, whenever R comes, be careful. Then you go for it. Black king, neither a jack nor a king, either a king or queen. How many spade will be there? 13 spade will be there. Yes, normally 4 will be there. But one spade, one ace will be there. The 13 spade, one ace will be there. So 13 plus 3, 16 out of 52. Yes or no? So it's like common. Whenever you have common, then you have to do. Black king only 2 cards. Yes or no? 2 by 52. Neither a jack nor a king. First, either a jack or king you find. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 by 52. Subtract with the total, then you will get 44 by 52. Either a king or queen. Now again, there is no common in king and queen. So 4 plus 4, you will get like 8 by 52. Neither, so you have to subtract with the total. Again, I have said the answer. See how the topper have written. 13 plus 3. Actually, 13 plus 4 you should not write because of one ace is there. The child written 16 by 52. Cancel. Black king is easy. 2 by 52. And the jack or king 4 plus 4. No, neither jack nor king. So have to subtract from that. I'm getting this. King or queen, 4 plus 4, 8 by 15. Go through, children, and you need any other concept or anything you have doubt, kindly text me. All the very best for your board examination. Be confident and do attempt all the questions.